Hey guys, welcome to another Amazon product review. Today we're checking out the BNT lighted house numbers for outside. This is like a solar address sign. Nighttime illumination, solar powered, quick and easy install, weather resistant. So if you're having trouble, you know, have your house illuminated and you're trying to give instructions to find your house, and you don't want to go and stand outside and wave at them or waiting for them in the rain or whatever, a nice illuminated address sign can guide them to your house. Okay, so having a little bit of trouble getting it out of this box here. Don't want to rip it, but is that the tape that's up there? All right. $35 on Amazon. Are you kidding me right now? Good golly. Right now they have a $10 off coupon on that, so that's not a bad deal. If you guys, I will link that in the description below. And if you guys want to check it out, I'll lead you right to Amazon. So let's open this up and see what we got here. Obviously, we should know what we have here, but let's see how well it is laid out. Okay, initial instructions here. Right top. Got your numbers on there, how to set it up, on, off, how to stake it in the ground, all that cool stuff. Nice little layer of protection here. All right, and then we have the light itself. Let's try to remove it from the device here. Okay, so on the back here we have, obviously we have the solar panel on top, a nice good sized solar panel there. We have an on-off button there on the back. Okay, and then we have, set that aside, good sized sturdy looking stake here, like a nice and a nice stake hammered to the ground. We'll be doing that a little setup for this. Okay. What we got here? I might have to look at some instructions on how to fully install this. Looks like that's gonna slide, but I don't know how this attaches on there. So there's more pieces in here. All right, we have. Okay, so that's a little. Oh no, I was saying that was a little mystifying, but actually this looks like it just slides right into the bottom of the sign there. I guess I should read the instructions. It would clarify stuff. And this part here appears to slide into the back, but I'm not sure what that is for. So we're going to figure all that out when I do the install. We're not done with the unboxing here, guys. So we have a whole bunch of numbers. We got 9s, we got 4s, we got 1s, 2s, 3s. We got everything. All of those. And just all kinds of numbers here. A bunch of each kind. Looks like about 2, 4. Looks like about 5 for each kind. So that's really neat. Oh, that's what I was going to show. So this is a mount for the house. So you can either put this on the stake, and that just goes right in the bottom here. I figured it out with having to look at the instructions. Or this can be mounted on the side of the house like that, and then this will go slide right up onto that. So I actually might go with that feature. Kind of like that. It's kind of cool. just like that, and it'll mount on your house, and you can have the numbers running on there. So I might do that. That looks pretty cool, but maybe we can do a double install on both of them. We're gonna go. I wonder if the light will work right now. Let's see. Sometimes these will work. Sometimes they come with a little bit of a charge, and it does. That's pretty cool. So we got some backlit right there, and we'll obviously put our numbers on here like that, you know, run them up and down, or sideways. You could do it either way, I guess. So that's cool. Does it come on when it's okay? And it is light sensitive, so it just comes on when it gets dark. So that is really neat, guys. All right, so I will be doing an install on this bad boy, and we'll see ya soon. Well, we're going to put our numbers on here, so we're going to use this template they gave us. And I'm just going to peel this off. And as far as I know, this thing... Let's see, we take these off and get our holes out where we want our numbers to be. Something like that, I think. And one more. All right, so this, I believe, is our template. I'm just going to line it up. I don't think this stays on there. I want to say that it doesn't. I think it's just for a template to get our thing just right, our numbers on there just right. So technically, I think that just goes on there like that. It's difficult here. And then just try to line them up here on the bottom. This is probably going to be the most difficult part. It's just getting the numbers on there right. Now that looks actually pretty close. And we're just going to use that as a template now. I'm picking right here. I think in these, from here, I'm going to go from there down, I think. So we'll get our number 1. And we're just going to kind of line it up there in the middle like that. Okay. Then we need an 8. Try to get those little parts out of there. There we go. All right, and I decided I'm going to, instead of putting it on a stake, I just want to put it on the side of the house. So we're going to do that. All right, that's pretty good. Need another 1. Okay, and then let's put a 0 on there, shall we? Okay, now we're going to remove the template. I think we're supposed to remove this. I don't know. Uh-oh. Thought we were. Doesn't look like it wants to be removed too much, so we're just going to slowly take that off. I think you can leave it on also, but I thought maybe it'd look nicer with the this not on there. So we're going to play it like that. Okay, so let's see how it looks here. It's still visible, looks pretty nice there. Got a little bit of sticky still in there, maybe use some Goo Gone to get that off of there. Okay. So we're going to go attach this to the side of the house. Like I said earlier, you can use the stake if you want to. And this can just be put right into the ground and then put this into the bottom if you would like. That is an option. But I think I want this on the side of the house. So we're going to use these little screws they gave us. And we're going to go attach this to the side of the house. Let's see. So let's, if I can get them out of here. Go do that, and this is what we need, is this little arm here. And our screws just go in there. So I'm gonna, I think, just set this up on the side of the house where I want it. And this has to be level this way though, so these screws the way they are, well, let's go figure it out. Alright, I got overruled, and we're going to put this right here. So I think right about here we can put our stake. Try to get that as straight as possible. Well, I was trying to hide the little telephone box there, but the height was down a little bit, so that's okay. This way up higher, it won't get as much sun, so down here it's going to get a little bit more sun. I'll just show you what I would have done to attach it to the wall. Alright, so if you're mounting this on the wall, this obviously has to be vertical. So you would put just wherever siding you have this on, get yourself a level, and you would put the level across the top of this or along the side of this, whichever one, but probably across the top of this. And then once it was perfectly level, this was your, put your level across this flat part here. Then you would take a pen or a marker or something and just mark where those holes are for each one. Or you could even attempt to put the screws in this very small and close to the part here, so it might be a little difficult with this assembly on there. So I would just put the level here, mark where your holes are, just a little pen or something where you could put a dot for each one. You take that off, and then you can remove this, and it'll be easier to get a screwdriver in there. It's really close to the thing, so it's with this removed, it'll give you a little bit of a advantage there. And this just comes right off. Just watch out for that nut in there so it doesn't fall when you undo it. And then you could either take a little drill and drill a small hole, pilot hole, and then that would help screwing it in there like that if you wanted to. And then the back of the sign, it just slips right onto the this device right here. So it's really easy. It's got a slot in the back of it. and there you go. You can just hang it like that. But the main thing is you want your sign to be straight. All right, guys, we're going to wait till nighttime and see how this looks. Okay, my friends, well, here is the sign from the street, and how my other address is right up over there in the corner, but you can't see it. But this one has a nice light on it, and we're going to kind of zoom in there. For some reason it doesn't want to focus on it, but you can see it really good just standing here. I can see it really well. I don't know why it doesn't want to show it. I don't know if you can see it on the video or not, but here from the outside of the house, it looks pretty good. So I might mount it on the wall. This one, I have a little fence out front, so if you're driving in a car, you might not be able to see it, but definitely you can see it better than the one on the side of the house that is not backlit or whatever. So actually just gonna move in on here. So there we go. That looks pretty good. On second thought, I should have maybe done the number spacing a little bit wider, but I think it looks pretty nice and definitely adds, easier to see at nighttime or whatever than the one that's not lit. So, all right, guys. Well, friends, as you can see, this sign is pretty cool. I am pretty happy with the way it works. It lights up nicely. So my solar panel only gets light like half time during the day, and I didn't let it charge a couple days to get it all powered up, but it still, I think it goes most of the night through, but I'm just going to turn it off for about 2 days, let it charge up all the way with the solar panel, and then put it out there. It should be just fine. But it's sturdy. I like the dual mounting aspects of it. You can just put it on the side of your house or in the ground, so very versatile there. It looks nice, and it definitely allows your address to be seen at night. So if you have company coming over in a neighborhood or just different things, it's nice to be able to see your address, and this backlits it nicely, so it's easy to see. Pretty great idea, guys. This runs about $35 in Amazon right now, but it has a 10% coupon. Not a 10%, but $10 off right now. I'm going to link that in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Have a great day, guys.